Leaf blotch, the major wheat disease in Europe, is caused by the fungus Septoria tritici. Here we show how it infects wheat and what you can do against it. For all the steps of its life cycle, the fungus requires wet weather or even heavy rain. Here you see an infected wheat leaf with its typical yellowish-brown regions. For its attack on other parts of the plant, Septoria forms these slimy-looking tubes. They're full of spores, ready for infection of new leaves. Raindrops smash these tubes, release the spores, and distribute them through splashes, even onto upper leaves. When it's wet enough, the spores create a germ tube that enters the leaf through the tiny openings called stomata, used by the plants for gas exchange. Inside the leaf, Septoria starts to grow and kills the neighboring plant cells with its metabolic products. This creates the typical yellowish region on the wheat leaves. For its next attack on the plant, Septoria grows fruiting bodies, the pycnidiae, which appear as dark spots on the leaf. Here it produces large amounts of spores. Again, it needs water. When the pycnidiae are soaked with water, the jelly tubes emerge out of them again. And with the next rain, everything enters the next round. Raindrops smash the tubes, release the spores, and distributes them onto new leaves, where the spores germinate and grow mycelia. They will create the pycnidiae, which will form the spore-containing tubes. To break this cycle, Corteva has developed a new and powerful weapon for farmers, Inatreq. It prevents and cures Septoria infections reliably. Inatreq is a natural product produced by bacteria. For safe storage and application, it's equipped with a so-called protective group. Inatreq spreads evenly on the surface of the leaf. Thanks to its new IQ4 formulation, it forms a protective layer even on the underside. Inatreq also diffuses into the leaves to fight the mycelia. When it enters the leaf, Inatreq gets rid of the protective group. From this moment on, it's ready for action. Inatreq works only against harmful fungi because it blocks their cellular respiration, which is different from the mechanisms in plants and animals. Inatreq has many advantages. It fights Septoria at every stage, here against germinating spores. When Inatreq penetrates the fungus, it also gets rid of the protective group and starts to be biologically active. The attack ends right after it has started. And if the leaf is already infected, Inatreq will reach the fungal mycelium and eradicate it inside the leaf. Inatreq also inhibits the maturation of the fruiting bodies and is able to kill produced spores, another important attribute towards breaking down Septoria disease epidemics.